Hi there, you're here with James from BH Sound and Lighting, and today we're looking at how to record cues and chases on the ChamSys MQ70. To begin with, I'll show you how to create some new groups so that we can use these later on. If I wanted to create a new group, I can press the R2 wash. Let's do odd and even. There's an odd and even button on the console. So if I press that, that selects the odd R2 washes, and I can record those into a new group. Press again, that selects the evens, record, and enter. And we can do the same with the R2 spots. Now let's begin recording. So select our rogue R2 washes. We're going to locate those, and we're going to set them in red. We're going to then press record, and put them in playback 1. We're then going to change colour to green, press record again, and press them back over playback number 1. This has now put them into a chase. And lastly, we're going to change it into blue and record the third cue. So now we've done that, we can clear. So that's everything out of the programmer. We can now raise playback 1. And this is set as a chase. With ChamSys, there are a couple of running modes. We are currently in the live mode, so all cue stacks are automatically chases. In theatre mode, cue stacks are cue lists. This is a global setting. When you first start a new show, you have this option between using live, theatre, tracking, or theatre non-tracking. You can change this anytime per playback by double tapping the screen, and this will load your cue list. As this is a chase, this is just running through the chase cue list. We can change to cue timing in the top right hand corner. It will ask us if we would like to, and we just press yes. This is now a cue list. You can now run through the cue list by pressing the play button. From this screen, you can change timings, so you can set all your fade times. With the groups that we have selected, we can select the odd R2 washes and the odd R2 spots, and we can set the intensity, and we can record that into a playback. So we can clear that, and we can do the same with the evens. Set the intensity, and record that into a second playback. So in a live show, you can have the odd and evens on 2 separate playbacks, and you can use the flash buttons to flash between the 2 states, or you can use the intensities. This is a good way for lighting in a live show to be in time with the music, because you can do it manually. Let's program a new playback. So I'm going to select the R2 spots. I'm going to locate them. I'm going to set them with a position. These are just presets. I'm going to select center, and I want them in blue. I'm going to record and put that on playback 2. After preset, we're going to want to take the intensity out. So we're going to go to black. So we're going to reduce the intensity but not change anything else. We're going to record that again over the top. From this point, you can start creating your show. Remember, as we're in live mode, we will need to double tap the screen and put it into cue timing. So this is now in theatre mode. Going back to layer 1, we're going to set these lights in white for the start of the show and give it back the intensity. So this is now cue 3. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on the ChamSys MQ70. If you like what you see, please like the video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.